Hello. Today, I'll show you how to delete all browsing history on mobile. To get access to your browsing history, go to the top right corner of Google App and tap on the three dots. From the menu, choose History. Here you can find all your activity on the internet, and you can browse between the pages you visited. If you want to remove an individual page which you visited, tap on the X from the right side. Once clicked, the page is deleted from your browsing history. If you need to find and delete a specific item in your browsing history, you can do it. Tap on the search field above and search for the item you need to remove. Once you find the page, tap on the same X from the right side, and the item is deleted. To delete all your browsing history on mobile, tap on the three dots above. Once the menu is open, you need to click on Delete Browsing Data. A new menu opens. From here, you can decide between a few time intervals you need to remove, or you can choose to delete all your browsing history. After that, you can tap on Delete Data to remove the browsing history based on what you have chosen. If you need more control of the deleted data, tap on More Options. A new screen is opening. On the top, you will find the same time menu selection interval. We will close it for the moment. Below, you have multiple selection fields. If you select Browsing History, the visited pages will be wiped from your account. For this tutorial, we will check this field because it is the most important one. The Cookies and Site Data removes all the cookies downloaded when you visited the pages above. It also gets rid of the site data. The next field allows you to remove the cached images and files. These files are used to make the pages load faster if you return to these sites. The next field is called Tabs. If you decide to check, all your active tabs will be closed, and the browsing history associated with them will be removed. If you have passwords saved in your browser and you don't remember them, make sure you won't check this field. In case you want to remove all your passwords, you need to check this option. If you need to remove all your autofill suggestions, you need to activate the Autofill Form Data options. The last field is labeled Site Settings, and here you'll choose if you want to keep your visited site's options personalized or not. Once everything chosen, go to the top and select the time interval you need to remove from your browsing history. The last step to remove the browsing history is to go to the bottom and tap on the Delete Data button. If you have sites visited often, Google can ask you for an additional confirmation. Make sure you choose the best settings for these sites, then click on Delete. That's it. You successfully deleted all your browsing history on mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tricks. It doesn't cost a thing to appreciate my work. Thank you.